Looking and feeling younger is something that I think a lot of guys strive for, but often don't know where to start. As men, we face a unique set of challenges when it comes to aging. And it's not just about looking good. It's about feeling good too. As we age, our skin starts to lose its elasticity. Our energy levels begin to decline, and our lifestyles can take a toll on our overall health and well-being. Many men struggle with weight gain, hair loss, and even mental health issues like depression and anxiety. It's a lot to deal with, and it can be overwhelming. One of the biggest challenges men face is the physical changes that come with aging. Our skin gets dry and wrinkly, our hair starts to thin, and our bodies start to slow down. It's hard to accept that we're not as young and spry as we used to be. On top of that, the energy crash that comes with aging can be debilitating. We used to be able to stay up all night, drink a few beers, and still wake up feeling like we're ready to take on the day. But as we get older, it gets harder and harder to bounce back from a late night or a big meal. So, what can we do about it? How can we start to look and feel younger and regain some of that vitality and energy that we once had? One of the most important things we can do is take care of our skin. A good skincare routine can make a huge difference in how we look and feel. It's all about finding the right products for our skin type and being consistent with our routine. Diet is also crucial when it comes to looking and feeling younger. Eating a balanced diet that's rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins can help to boost our energy levels and support our overall health. Exercise is another key component of looking and feeling younger. Regular physical activity can help to increase our energy levels, improve our mood, and even reduce the signs of aging like wrinkles and age spots. And last but not least, taking care of our mental health is vital. Practicing mindfulness, meditation, and other stress-reducing activities can help to reduce the signs of aging and improve our overall well-being. But out of all the strategies I've tried, there's one that really stands out as a game changer: hydration. Drinking enough water can make a huge difference in how we look and feel. It can improve our skin, boost our energy levels, and even help us to lose weight. Another strategy that's had a big impact on my life is regular physical activity. Exercise is essential for keeping us looking and feeling young, and it's so important to find a type of exercise that we enjoy. Whether it's going for a run, practicing yoga, or playing a sport, exercise can help to improve our mood, increase our energy levels, and even reduce the signs of aging. And finally, reducing stress is crucial when it comes to looking and feeling younger. Stress can take a toll on our skin, our hair, and even our mental health. Practicing stress-reducing activities like meditation and deep breathing can help to reduce the signs of aging and improve our overall well-being. By incorporating these strategies into our daily lives, we can start to look and feel younger and regain some of that vitality and energy that we once had. It's all about making small changes and being consistent. And I truly believe that anyone can do it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new today. If you have any anti-aging tips of your own, please share them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about health and wellness, be sure to check out my other videos.